The bulb is protected by a membrane which turns to a papery coat. Onion plants can reach a height of 50 centimeters (20 in) and are grown as annuals, harvested after one growing season. Onion may also be referred to by cultivar, and these include red or purple onion, shallots and spring onions or scallions. Diabetes is a common lifelong health condition. It happens when a person has too much glucose in the blood, because the pancreas cannot make enough insulin. In case of diabetes, the body is not able to produce enough insulin to keep blood glucose levels in normal. Officially, there is still not found cure for diabetes, but it can be controlled, and you can lead a normal life. It is well known that insulin can normalize blood sugar levels. So, if you are diabetics, you can try to avoid the daily tingling. We suggest you to try some natural treatment before you go with the insulin. But, if you are already using insulin, you can try to reduce the amount and stimulate pancreas to work. In addition, we are going to show you a natural recipe that will remove excess fluid and normalize the blood sugar levels in the body. Ingredients: 5 leeks with roots, 1 liter of mineral water. Preparation: first you need to wash well the leek with roots. Then you need to pour about 1 liter of the clean water or a bottle of mineral. Put the leek with the roots in the bottle and let it to stay for 24 hours. The next day you need to consume a substitute of water. When you finished, you need to prepare another dosage. If you find this video helpful to you, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment below.